Hey there, beach lovers and adventure seekers. Today we're diving into the tropical paradise of Barceló Solymar, a stunning beachfront resort nestled in the heart of Varadero, Cuba. So grab your sunscreen, and let's explore this Caribbean gem together. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Barceló Solymar offers a variety of bright and cheerful suites that'll make you feel right at home in paradise. Picture yourself waking up to the sound of gentle waves, surrounded by lush tropical gardens. The hotel boasts approximately 525 rooms, each designed with comfort in mind. While the exact room sizes aren't spelled out for us, you can bet they're spacious enough to stretch out and relax after a long day of sun and sand. Now let's talk amenities. Each suite comes equipped with all the modern conveniences you'd expect from a top-notch resort. We're talking air conditioning to keep you cool, satellite TV for those lazy evenings in, and a minibar or fridge to keep your refreshments chilled. Oh, and don't forget the safe deposit box to store your valuables, though it might cost you a few extra pesos. But here's where it gets really exciting. The views. Depending on your room choice, you could be waking up to breathtaking sea views or serene garden vistas. And for those traveling with the whole crew, don't worry. The rooms are designed to accommodate couples or small families comfortably. One of the coolest things about staying at Barceló Solymar is their buy one, enjoy two concept. That's right, folks, you get access to the facilities of not just one, but two resorts. The adjacent Occidental Arenas Blancas Hotel is right there for you to explore and enjoy. Talk about getting more bang for your buck. Now, let's move on to everyone's favorite topic, food. Barceló Solymar is a culinary wonderland with multiple restaurants to satisfy every craving. Feeling like some pasta? Head to the Italian restaurant. Craving seafood? They've got you covered. How about some spicy Mexican dishes or traditional Spanish specialties? Yep, they have those too. And for those nights when you just can't decide, there's always the International Buffet restaurant serving up a smorgasbord of global cuisines alongside Cuban specialties. But wait, there's more. For those who prefer their meals with a side of ocean breeze, you'll find bars scattered around the pools and beach areas, serving up refreshing cocktails and snacks. Now, while we don't have the exact operating hours or dress codes for each venue, it's safe to assume they follow standard resort norms. That means casual wear during the day and smart casual for those fancy a la carte dinners. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Make sure to book your a la carte dining in advance, especially during peak seasons. These spots fill up faster than you can say mojito. Speaking of cooling off, let's dive into the pool situation. Barceló Solymar boasts not one, not two, but 3 swimming pools. That's right, whether you're looking to do some laps, splash around with the kids, or just lounge by the water with a good book, there's a pool for you. And don't worry about packing your beach towel. They've got poolside towel service to keep you dry and comfy. But let's be real, you're in Varadero. You're here for the beach. And boy, does Barceló Solymar deliver. The resort is perched right on Playa Azul, part of Varadero's famous 12-mile stretch of pristine white sand. Picture crystal clear waters as far as the eye can see, with the softest sand between your toes. It's the kind of beach that makes you want to pinch yourself to make sure you're not dreaming. And for those who can't sit still even on vacation, the resort offers a variety of water sports. While we don't have the exact list, you can bet on activities like snorkeling and kayaking being available. Just check with the friendly staff when you arrive to see what's on offer. Now let's talk activities because Barceló Solymar is all about keeping you entertained. While they don't have the specifics on their fitness center, you might want to check with the front desk when you arrive. It's safe to assume they've got the standard gym equipment to help you work off all those delicious Cuban meals. But the real fun happens outside. The resort offers daily entertainment programs that'll keep you busy from sunup to sundown. We're talking live music, dance performances showcasing the vibrant Cuban culture, and even a kids club to keep the little ones entertained while you sneak off for some adult time. And speaking of relaxation, while we don't have the specifics on Barceló Solymar's spa facilities, many resorts in the area offer wellness services like massages and beauty treatments. It might be worth asking at the front desk if they have any on-site offerings or partnerships with nearby spas. Now, let's venture beyond the resort because Varadero has so much to offer. The hotel is conveniently located near the town center, which means you're just a short walk away from local shops, restaurants, and cultural venues. It's the perfect opportunity to immerse yourself in Cuban culture and maybe pick up a souvenir or two. For those looking to explore further afield, the resort often arranges excursions to nearby attractions. While we don't have the exact details, it's common for hotels in the area to offer day trips to Havana, which is about 134 kilometers away. Just imagine strolling through the colorful streets of Old Havana, cigar in hand, feeling like you've stepped back in time. Now let's talk about what makes Barceló Solymar truly special. First off, that location. Being right on one of the best stretches of Varadero Beach is hard to beat. Add to that the colonial-style architecture with its charming courtyards and red roofs, and you've got yourself a picture-perfect Caribbean retreat. The buy one, enjoy two concept is another standout feature. It's like getting two vacations for the price of one. And let's not forget the friendly staff. They're mentioned time and time again in guest reviews as being helpful and attentive. However, in the spirit of giving you the full picture, it's worth noting that some guests have mentioned the resort could use a bit of modernization. The last major renovation was back in 2009, so some areas might feel a tad dated. But hey, when you're surrounded by such natural beauty, who's really paying attention to the decor, right? For those planning a business trip or a special event, Barceló Solymar has got you covered too. While we don't have the specifics, it's common for resorts of this caliber to offer conference facilities and event planning services. So whether you're organizing a destination wedding or a corporate retreat, it's worth inquiring about their offerings. Now let's talk about some of those magical moments that make a stay at Barceló Solymar truly memorable. Picture this. You're sitting on your balcony, watching the sun dip below the horizon, painting the sky in brilliant shades of orange and pink. Or maybe you're strolling along the beach at night, the warm Caribbean breeze in your hair, with the sound of Cuban music drifting from a nearby bar. These are the kinds of experiences that guests rave about. Many visitors have shared stories of staff going above and beyond, like surprising couples celebrating anniversaries with special decorations in their rooms, or chefs preparing off-menu items for guests with dietary restrictions. It's these personal touches that turn a good vacation into an unforgettable one. So, what's the verdict on Barceló Solymar? Well, if you're looking for a slice of Cuban paradise with a dash of colonial charm, a sprinkle of all-inclusive convenience, and a healthy dose of Caribbean sunshine, you've come to the right place. Sure, it might not be the newest kid on the block, but what it lacks in modern frills, it more than makes up for in character, location, and good old-fashioned Cuban hospitality. Whether you're a sun worshiper looking to lounge on pristine beaches, a foodie eager to sample Cuban cuisine, or an adventure seeker ready to explore all that Varadero has to offer, Barceló Solymar has something for everyone. Just remember to pack your sense of adventure, your biggest smile, and maybe a phrase book to practice your Spanish. Though with the friendly staff, you'll probably pick it up in no time. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.